Walmart just suspended you for on-time delivery. Don't panic. I'll show you how to get your account back in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so here is an example suspension. Your Walmart account has been temporarily suspended. Not the end of the world, right? This isn't like Amazon where it's extremely difficult to get your account back. Usually Walmart is a little bit lenient and they want you to get back on and start selling, right? Everybody makes mistakes. And this one specifically for on-time delivery. So everything was shipped out on time, but it didn't see on-time delivery OTD. It didn't get to the customer in time because, USPS is slow. So what you got to do, you need to appeal it. Now, to appeal it, you really want to keep it short and sweet. But the first thing that you want to do before you start appealing is you need to figure out exactly what caused this issue. So go into your Walmart account, go to performance, and then just see what caused this issue. You want to try to attack this and get this resolved as quickly as possible because your metrics won't be there. It's only lasts 30 days. So you want to see it. And if it is your OTD, you want to view the details and see what caused this and go through. Was it via USPS? What were the actual shipments that caused this? Why? What happened? Was it because of weather? So you're kind of going to go through that and identify what happened as if you were going in front of a judge and you were like, they're like, what happened to the package? And you're like, oh, it says it was supposed to be delivered. And then it wasn't delivered because it says there was a delay. And then here it says that, weather delay. So you want to have all of those. And they're going to be like, okay, what's the order number? What's the purchase order number? What's the customer order number? What's the tracking? What tracking method did you use? Things like that. Okay, so here's the actual reinstatement right here. So usually it's going to be like this where you open up a case and then you're going to appeal. And you can see how specific we are. A description of the issue is as follows below. My OTD rate fell to 64.5% over the last 14 days, as well as below the standard of 95% or above. The specific issues contributing to this were 14.55% late shipment rate, 10% carrier estimated delivery time. This oversight impacted 37 customers in the last 14 days and resulted in a subpar customer experience. Yes, bada bing, boom, how often, 5 days a week. Now, again, you can't just copy this. I mean, you can try, but it might not get approved, right? But because your issue might have been a little bit different than mine, and maybe Walmart wants you to be even more specific. I also attached documents to this to help with my appeal, and I don't have those on hand, but that pretty much helped us get reinstated as well. But I'm just trying to at least show you how specific, short and sweet we were to get it reinstated. If you're giving a very, very long appeal that's emotional and not logical, it will get denied. Based on my internal investigation, the root cause for the late handovers to the carrier was a combination of improper internal processes and limited resources. Inconsistent scheduling. Our shipment schedule is not consistently aligned with the carrier pickup times, right? Again, and now I'm taking blame. I'm not just putting blame on everybody else. Insufficient staffing. We did not have enough staff to handle the order volume properly. Lack of training. Some team members were not adequately trained. Inefficient inventory management. Delays in inventory management and picking processes. To address the issues, I already have transitioned almost all of my products to WFS, which will ensure timely handover. Boom. So I'm already saying the preventions, all that fun stuff. So this is pretty much a really, really good template on getting reinstated. You can kind of see the step-by-step, how short and sweet we are, how direct we are in order to get reinstated. And this is definitely going to help you. This one was approved, right? And again, the final tips for this video is going to be keep your appeal short and sweet. Make sure it's to the point. Make sure there's not emotion in it. It's more logical, pretty much 99% logical. And you better attach screenshots. If you're not attaching screenshots or any evidence of what you're doing and how you're resolving the issue, evidence of the problems, evidence of Walmart's policies, if you mention their policies, evidence that you're already fixing the issue or have fixed the issue, then it's going to get denied. You want to add some extra. And of course, if your appeal does keep getting denied, you can reach out to us in the comments. We already know what we're doing. We already know what Walmart wants, and we can review your account to make sure it gets reinstated. That's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you want something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel. We're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we're fully going to be managing your inventory, calling Walmart, all of your performance notifications, all of your analytics, making sure you're not getting suspended. If you do, we're the ones doing the appeal, your customer service, advertising, design, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is you can spend time working on your business and expanding your business, while we're doing the day-to-day operations 7 days a week to make sure you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.